Hey guys, welcome back. This evening, we did get welding wire. I think it was a couple days ago. I actually found a place cheaper, so we got a whole 2-pound spool of it. The main goal is to get the fender done. You can see down there. Got some holes to fill in and grind down, and maybe slap some paint on it. I'm not too sure on that just yet because there's a crack we need to fill. But mainly just working on this fender, get it all squared away. And we may try to dry fit it to the Bronco and see how it turns out. But don't you see behind me, did some work in the shop today. I'd like to show y'all that right quick, if y'all don't mind. Let me turn you around here. Just coming through my door. Kind of notice there's kind of more room over here. Got this all neater. Got my cabinet cleaned off finally. Got some things moved around here. That's stuff for the Camaro up there. Got a lowering springs for it to bring it back down to stock height because right now it's sitting kind of high. I don't know if you can make it out, but it's back there, the board. Finally got this cleaned off and this kind of better. And there's the block we'll be using for the Bronco. Kind of looks neat, kind of sitting in the back of the Healy. But thoughts on the Healy right now. I'm gonna have to move it out of the garage, so I'm thinking about getting like 1/4 inch plywood, cutting circles, and putting it for wheels so we can get on a trailer and moved out. Because I think if we get this fender done, next week we may be starting to build a body cart for the Bronco. I'll print out a sheet that Keith sent me from, I think JC and Joni Builds, drew the diagram up, and we'll get that, all the lumber for it, and give it a good look at and kind of see what we need to do to make the body cart and finally get the body off the frame. But anyways, hope you have a nice Memorial Day. Hope y'all are enjoying it and being safe if you're out on the lake. That's where we'll be. Actually, today, Monday, but I'm shooting this on Friday. We're leaving tomorrow. Rabbit's making noise. Also want to say a big thank you to everybody that's clicked my links, Amazon links in the description. I think check my affiliate account. It says it's 67 of y'all have clicked them so far. That's awesome. I really appreciate it. It does help the channel out when you click it and you buy something on Amazon within 24 hours. I get a small portion of that. So thank y'all for doing that for me, and keep clicking if you can. I'm sorry about that buzzing. It's my little refrigerator. It's trying to cool down, I guess. But anyways, I also want to give a big thank you to new subscribers. I think we're at 754 now, getting close to 800, which is pretty amazing. But anyways, probably gonna put y'all up over here, put a fan on y'all, and we'll start just welding this up. I hope I don't put 2 pounds of wire in it, but we're gonna at least get it done and ground down. Not sure if we'll paint it tonight or not, but at least that angled part will be secured in there. But enough talking. I'm gonna switch you around and we'll start the welding and grinding. All right, we got it all welded up. I know it looks rough, especially right here. There's a hole there. I don't know if you could tell. I can have build that up a little bit more. And there's a crack here. I think we got it taken care of. And then we started trying to get this crack taken care of. A lot of below 3 right there. But this is in, nothing's popping, so I think it's time we throw it on the Bronco, see what happens. Hopefully hopefully it'll still fit, and I didn't mess it up. But let's put it on there and see what it looks like. Yeah, there's a couple of interesting things that happened. That don't want to stay in. This hole is too far up on the fender, but it lays down. But coming over here, this doesn't want to. Top needs to make it in like that, but my hole for this is too far this way, so I may have messed it up. I'm gonna get the new fender and try it, see what happens. But something's twisted a little bit funny here. Like this needs to come this way a little bit, this needs to go that way, which it can't really unless I rebend this flange in here. So let's put the new fender on and see what it looks like. And believe it or not, this fits better. So I just wasted a bunch of time on this fender. It lines up pretty good with bolt holes now for some reason. Don't know why. May have to make a little bit of adjustments to them, but they're not off by much. And body lines are pretty good. This hinge could go in some, like straight in, and that one's pretty good. Yeah, good down here. Meets the grill really nice. So I think we're gonna go with the new fender on this, even though we waste so much time on that one. Well, I guess that'll do it for me tonight. Just want to say thank you again for clicking on the Amazon links down in the description. Like I said, it does really help the channel out a lot, especially when you click it and then buy anything off Amazon. I'll get a little bit of money that we can put towards the Bronco. I think we'll go with the new fender. It looks better, fits a lot nicer. Kind of weird, but hey, it is what it is. So we'll make do with it. Might have to do a little bit of tweaking on it, but not much. And hopefully we can get everything kind of to sit right. I mean, we're not off on these holes by too much, so I think we can make it work. But yeah, sorry about the old fender. I guess don't want to necessarily scrap it, but we'll keep it until we're for sure done messing with the fender over here. Just want to say thank y'all again for sticking around with me. I think next week we will be hopefully trying to build a body cart, and then we'll probably be welding in some braces in the Bronco tub area, the engine bay, taking everything off of it that doesn't need to be on there, and hopefully my welding will be good enough that we can lift the Bronco up over the springs and shocks and set it on a body cart. That would be ideal. But and then until we gotta move the Healy out. So a lot of stuff can happen here next month or so. But anyways, hope you had a safe and happy Memorial Day, and just thank you again for sticking with me through this. We'll get her going and enjoy her hopefully soon. But like I said, we're gonna go through everything, and hopefully she'll be nice once we got everything cleaned up, painted, and new bearings, bushings, the works. But anyways, Thank y'all, and I'll see you next week.